We go now to the seventh advantage of Davi MAV, that is the best Rolls Parallelism thanks to a patented system that is called servotronic. So the Rolls movement is actuated by hydraulic cylinders that are installed at the two ends of the machine, as we have already said. This patented servotronic system keeps the rolls parallel at all times thanks to a dual, independent but integrated parallelism control system. In fact, the oil feeding each roll cylinder is mechanically kept at the very same pressure and must flow thanks to dedicated pumping groups and circuits supported by electro-valves in charge of fine-tuning only. In this way, even in case of electronic failure, the Rolls Parallelism is hydraulically and mechanically maintained and the machine can keep operating with excellent results. The servotronic, in order to recap, allows for maximum accuracy of the rolls positioning, limited reliance on electronics, so with reduced downtimes in case of failure, best geometrical tolerances on the workpiece.